Okay, today we got a Lenovo ThinkPad docking station. Expect to find similar items that we did in the Dell one, which will be some gold-plated pins on the connectors, and potentially a couple chips. Not much to find in these. There might be a couple screws behind that, I'm not sure. Model number, this is a ThinkPad UltraDock. Just looking for any more screws, visible screws on it. I don't see any more visible ones. I'm thinking there's one there. There might be one under these feet as well. I don't see anything over here. Nope, nothing there. Yeah, they had a couple under this label. I think, maybe. Maybe not. Maybe not. I guess not. Just a couple indentions that felt like screws. Okay. There is one. It's got to be right up under the center though. Nope. Nothing there. There is something holding it together right there. That's where it's pinged. There's nothing from up top that I can see. This upper looks like it's all plastic for the most part. There is some metal up in here. Let's see if we can get this out. Plastic. That feels like metal. That's metal. So that's all metal, or plastic now. This one has a little bit of metal left on it. Part of which is plastic welded on here. And what I mean by plastic welding is where they just go in and melt the plastic through the holes in the piece of metal to adhere it on there. It's effective. Tends to be fairly easy to pop off too. There we go. Separate that piece, which is not sticking to my magnet, and it's way too heavy to be aluminum. That's got to be stainless. Okay, onto this piece. A couple more screws here. That piece comes off. One more screw down here. Again, feels like stainless. Okay. There's our main board. With a piece of plastic on the back that will peel off. Okay, so nothing on the back of this board. We got the gold pins along all these connectors here, and gold pins in this connector as well. Then we got some flat packs, some BGAs, some regular chips, and that's about it. A few little capacitors and whatnot, rectifier. Here's a MOSFET. So, little gold plated fuse right there. So, decent little board for what it is. Nothing, you know, incredibly special, but good enough for us. And as we can see, this is a copper flash board. So again, nothing, you know, nothing really special, but we'll take it. Let's get the other metal bit off of here. So all the screws I see there. One more screw here. That's got to be a lock mechanism. Interesting little piece. Got a couple more little screws on this board, which has our tactile switch on it. A little bit of silver there. And these do not look gold plated, so I doubt the wire is either. So one little silver switch, another potential silver switch there as well. And the rest of that is steel shred and a little bit of plastic. Now you guys out. There's one right there. There's a lock in there as well. Okay. Oh, nope. That's still shred. That's plastic. Goes out the door to my recycle guys. And yes, I do have the key for this, but I don't know that I have any use for this lock at all, and it doesn't even seem to want to turn. I don't know if it's supposed to have, I know it's supposed to have a computer on it before it locks, but I don't know how. Oh, maybe that. Well, that doesn't seem to do it either. I don't know why it's not locking. So, lock will go into shred. Actually, let me double check that. Oh goodness. It might be brass. That bit of plastic, that bit of plastic. That bit of steel, this bit might be brass, and it's not sticking to my magnet. That back plate right there is, but everything else seems to be brass. Can't quite get my screwdriver under in there to pry it off. Oh well. It'll melt off. And these guys will probably be, oh, these are steel keys. And here they go. Okay, so that is that one, guys. There's one little brass knob here. Boop. It's gone. Plastic, plastic, plastic. that is metal. That is metal. Plastic, plastic, plastic. You guys over here, and let's see what. Okay, we grabbed up all that. Into the bucket. These two little bits did not get picked up, and this did not. This appears to be Zymac or cast aluminum, not reacting to the magnet. These guys are not reacting. I don't have any on I got one over here. Let's see, they are not reacting to my rare earth magnet either. So that, I believe, is cast aluminum. These guys, let's take a little filing on. Yeah, I think they're cast aluminum as well. Oh well. But that's all we get out of that one, guys. Just these two little boards, really. A little bit of cast aluminum and shred steel. Okay, have a good one.